The new MacBook Pro combines the fundamental qualities of an ultra-portable device with uncompromising performance. With our new design, the product's overall volume has been reduced dramatically. This results in an extremely purposeful and powerful creative tool. It has the best Retina display we've ever put in a notebook. A precisely designed LED spectrum projects through a metal oxide backplane. This yields a remarkably bright, high-contrast picture with a wider color gamut. The larger Force Touch trackpad now provides an expansive area for a whole range of gestures. We've continued to refine our keyboard design to be more accurate and efficient. Dome switches beneath each key have been optimized for a more responsive feel. We're introducing a new way to interact with your notebook. A multi-touch bar provides a more intuitive, more immediate connection to your content. Commands that were once hidden are now visible, easily accessible, and also customizable. In each application, the most relevant controls are displayed dynamically, allowing you to work with greater efficiency. This is also the first Mac with Touch ID. This seamless integration of hardware and software is truly unique to Apple. The speakers have also been completely redesigned to maximize air displacement and project high-fidelity, room-filling sound. At its core, pro-level processors integrated with high-speed system memory and storage technologies make everything you do faster and more responsive. In a notebook this powerful, thermal management is critical. Thinner, variably spaced fan blades propel air quietly through a nearly solid structure. The new MacBook Pro achieves a design that optimizes both performance and portability. It marks a milestone in the evolution of the Mac.
Finally, the system you want has the power you need. Thinkpad P1. Workstation power. Thin and light design. The first mobile workstation with the ability to amaze you with what it can do and how it looks. To do this, we created a new premium design featuring a seamless keyboard, glass touchpad, blackout logos, along with a deeper black chassis. Living up to the Thinkpad legacy of quality and durability, the P1 is mil-spec tested and utilizes dual fan flex performance cooling. It is thin, light, strong, and cool. But what separates the Thinkpad P1 from other mobile workstations is its ability to perform. Featuring Intel Xeon mobile processors, 64 gigabytes of memory, the NVIDIA Quadro P2000 professional graphics, and 4 terabytes of PCIe storage, the Thinkpad P1 is not only ISV certified, it is optimized for maximum productivity, letting your work come to life on a stunning 15-inch 4K display. The system you want now has the power you need. The Thinkpad P1 mobile workstation from Lenovo.
My love must be a kind of blind love. I can't see anyone but the stars out tonight. I don't know if it's cloudy or bright. I only have eyes for you. Papa's down.